Good morning, student. So we are going to learn today our first chapter, that is our food sources and variety. So student, you know about the food. So you can't live without food because food is very essential. Food is very essential. Food is also called as the one of our basic need. It is one of our basic necessity, you can say. Okay, you love to eat food. Each one of us has a different food. You know that in case of food there are the different type of varieties is also there. Okay, you not eat the same type of food. Daily you have to eat the different type of the dishes, all these things. So you can say that the food is our basic need. Okay, just you observe that in the recess time your friends and you share the food. So there are the different type of varieties are there. If you taste that variety at that time, you feel very you happy at that time if you eat the different type of the foods. So at that time you observe that if your friend is coming from different state, he is not Maharashtrian, so their varieties of food is different as compared to you. Okay, so this you can say that there are the food is the food varieties is depend upon the you can say the state also. In different state there are the different type of the variety. South Indian food is different, North Indian food is different, Karnataka, Tamil, there are the different type of the varieties are there. So you have to say that this food is very important in our life. So there are the different type of varieties of the food because different type of the peoples are eat the different type of the foods. In our home also, in your home also there are the different type of the peoples are there, means your grandfather, your grandmothers, their choices are different. Their choices are different. Someone is like to eat cauliflower vegetable, some are like lady fingers. So means your family members have the different type of this food habit. Even members may differ to their food preference. In India, food habit of the different peoples are different, but mostly in your food some vegetable you are going to use, some if you want to make the one dishes at that time you have to use the different type of the ingredients, means water is used, oil is used, pulses you are going to use, after that different type of the spices you are going to use. So for this things you have to use the different type of the ingredients. So after you have to see the staple food. So what is mean by this staple food? Staple foods means it is the major part of our diet. Staple food is the major part of our diet that appear most often in the diet. Means example you have to take the staple food is the rice and the wheat. So this is the major part of our diet, rice and the wheat. So it is common example of the staple food is the rice and the wheat. So you will notice that main ingredient used to making the different type of the foods are rice. If you want to make the dosa, so you know that which ingredient you are going to use. Your mother making the dosa, chapati, puri, bhaji, aloo paratha, all these. So at that time your mother are using the different type of the ingredients. If you want to make the rice, only rice is you are going to use. No, you have to add their water also. So rice and water, you can say this, it is the ingredients. You can say it is the ingredients. Means if you want to make one type of dish, which things you are going to use, that is called as the ingredient. So that's why rice and wheat is called as the staple food, and this is the basic food item generally you are going to use. Okay, instead of that you are going to use the different type of spices also. So spices give the special flavor to the food. So the distinguished flavor varieties from spices one to another. So some spices have the medicinal value also. You know that you generally use the turmeric. So this turmeric is also the medicinal value, while other have the specific religions or the social significance. So in this way you are going to discuss about the staple food. Now next point is that milk is called as the complete nutrients. In your fat file there is a milk. So you know that instead of this food you also drink the water. So this water is called as the complete diet. Why this water is called as the complete diet? Because milk is very good source of the nutrients like mineral, protein, fats, vitamins, carbohydrates. All these are present in this milk. That's why it is regarded as a complete diet. That's why it is regarded as a complete diet, and you cannot survive only on milk. Okay, so milk contains the 30% fat, 37% lactose, 27% protein and 6% minerals. So this is all about the different type of the varieties of the foods and staple food and the complete diet, that is the milk. Now our next point is that sources of food. Students, you know that this food is come from the plants and animals. You already learned in previous classes this food is come from the plants and animal also, but some animal is also get the food from the plants. Some animal is also get the food from the plants. Milk, paneer, curd, eggs, fish, chicken, meat, etc. These are you are generally used in your diet. So these all are the food atom. Okay, but this food atom is come from the animals, but usually milk and the milk product come from cows, buffalo, and meat and chicken is also you are going to use. So all these are generally you are going to means all these food atom, that is paneer, all these come from the animals. Okay, so these are the two sources of the foods, that is the plants and the animal. So there are the arrangements of the if you want to make if you want to prepare a particular dish, so for that you have to use the different type of the sources of the food material. Okay, so those food is coming from the plant, you have to discuss about. So sources of the food from plants, you can say sources of the food from plants. Cereals, first one is the cereals. So cereals means those plants plant of the grass family gives us the grains. You know there are the grains of the rice and the wheats, so that is called as the cereal. Okay, cereals from the major part of our diets. In India you mainly eat the wheat, rice, maize, jawar and bajra. So all these are cereals. Now our second point is pulses. So you know that this pulses means it is the seed of the plants you are generally going to eat. So they are generally the resource of protein. They are generally the resource of protein. You get the variety of the pulses from plant, that is they are resources of the nutrients. So name of some plants are chana, urad, green moong, rajma, okay, black urad. So all these are the different type of the pulses. In India there is the maximum grow of the varieties of the pulses, means maximum amount में grow किया जाता है pulses in India. Okay, so after that vegetables, you know that you in your generally in your diet you are generally going to use the vegetables. Okay, so vegetables form the important parts of the diet. Some common vegetables we are going to eat, that is the brinjal, cabbage, onion, tomato, ladyfingers, cauliflower, spinach, all these. So all these are the vegetables. You know that vegetables are eaten after being cooked और रॉ फॉर्म आल्सो, कच्चे भी खाते हैं या पका के भी खाते हो आप लोग. सो कुकिंग मेक द फूड टेस्टी, इजी टू डाइजेस्ट एंड फ्री ऑफ जर्म्स. रॉ वेजिटेबल आर द रिच न्यूट्रिएंट्स एंड द रफ वेज. रॉ वेजिटेबल्स you are generally eat the cucumber, so this is the rich in nutrients and the rough veg. Okay, so after that fruits. So fruits is the main, you know that the different type of the fruits you are going to eat. Plant gives the varieties of the different type of the delicious and the nutritious fruits. Some commonly eaten fruits are apple, mango, banana, orange, grape, papaya, etc. You also get the fruit means nut, different nut from plant. Okay, so cashew nut, ground nut, whereas almond, walnuts, so all these are coming from the tree. After that spices. So plant gives us the different type of the spices, that is the turmeric, cloves, after that cardamom, after that ginger. So all these spices, if you add these spices in the food, they make means different type of the flavors. You have to different type of the flavors are coming. If you use the cardamoms, you know, elaichi jab if you add in any type of the dish, so different very good flavor is coming from that, different type का color flavor आता है. So this spices have the medicinal value also. These spices, turmeric, you have to take the example of turmeric means haldi. So this haldi is also the medicinal value, medicinal property. After that oil. So you can use the oil. Mostly in your food you are generally use the oil, so use different type of oil you are going to use. Means for frying purposes you are going to use the different type of the oil, that is the sunflower, soya bean, coconut, groundnut, these different type of the oils you are generally use. After that sugar. Plant also gives us sugar. Plant also gives us sugar. So we manufacture this sugar from sugar cane or the sugar beet. Sugar is the sweet crystalline substance. You observe the sugar. Okay, so this sugar is the sweet and crystalline in form, that is normally used as a sweetener in various food item and the drinks. Okay, after that beverages. Beverages means tea and coffee. What is meant by the beverages? Tea and coffees are also included in your food. So this tea and coffee is coming from the leaves of the tea plants, and means coffee is coming from the seed of the coffee plant. Okay, you have to means you know that coffee seeds are there. So cocoa powder, which is used to make the chocolates, ice cream, shake and others drink, is obtained from the cocoa plants. So you know how the different food atom is coming. So this food atom, different type of the food atom, that is the cereal, pulses, vegetable, fruit, oil, spices, after that sugar, beverages, all these are coming from the plant. So you can say that, you can means if you study all these things, so you can conclude that the main sources of the food is coming from the plants. So this is all about the today's. So I hope, are you understood? You have to just take here the one sources. In next period I will take the different another sources of the food, that is the animal. So from which way you have to take the food from animal. Okay, thank you student.